Kinumpirma ni Attorney Nabil Mutia, ang Provincial Election Supervisor ng Maguindanao del Norte, na mayroon ng security escort ang lahat ng election officers sa buong probinsya. Ito ay kasunod ang pahayag ni PNP ProBar Regional Director Police Brigadier General Romeo Macapaz na binigyan ng tig-2 escort ang bawat election officer sa bawat bayan at syudad sa BARMM.
I was able to confirm that right now they were provided with security details. Actually, we are thankful. We appreciate that the PNP and also the Marines and the Army, kasi magkakaiba eh. Some opted for police, some chose Marines or Philippine Army na maging security detail nila. And nabigyan naman po lahat ng ating mga election officers. Definitely helps, no? Because siyempre, you can now focus on your work or responsibility as the election officer. Lalong-lalo napapalapit yung election. Kasi iba kasi pag may, aside from your work, hindi mo pa rin pati yung security mo while, di ba, while nagta-travel ka o ano, while on the way to your work. So, lalong-lalo na, nangyayari ngayon, most of the time, mag-iikot yung mga election officers natin. May mga activities tayo that requires them to visit the polling places, the barangays. Like presently, we are distributing the voters information sheet or the VIS to each registered voter. So, mano-mano po yun. So, mas makaka-focus sila if yung security aspect naman may nakatutok na yung mga tao.